With cooler temperatures, we can finally transition into growing a new batch of culinary herbs for the holiday season. Now, when we speak about herbs, we generally want to group them into three categories: warm season herbs, cool season herbs, which we'll be talking about today, and perennial herbs, which last for a couple of years in the garden. Cool season herbs in Louisiana can survive our normal winter temperatures even if we get a heavy frost. They prefer to be planted in full sun with really good drainage. And here at the LSU AgCenter Botanic Gardens Heritage Herb Garden, these raised beds are providing that good drainage with a nice fluffy media mixture to plant them in. And having them in this raised bed also means it's a lot easier to harvest and maintain. Some of your best cool season annual herbs to grow in Louisiana are cilantro, dill, parsley. This is flat leaf parsley, but you can also grow curly leaf, fennel with its wonderful licorice flavor, and even sage as long as it's really well drained. Winter is also a great time to establish your perennial herbs, such as rosemary, bay laurel, which is actually a small tree, oregano, chives, and even garlic chives. Now at the end of winter, when the temperatures are starting to get warmer, you'll notice that a lot of your herbs are going to bolt or flower. Go ahead and let them do this. It's great for the pollinators, and some herbs like dill and fennel are actually larval food sources for a lot of our spring butterflies. So it's going to be really easy to use all of these cool season herbs throughout the winter, and they're going to enhance your holiday recipes quite a bit. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.